Bring a functional and sleek design into your laundry or utility room with the LDR utility sink and cabinet set. The heavy-duty faucet features a high arc design so you can fit all those bulky items. Pull-down spout makes washing, soaking, and filling pails easy. Change from a steady stream of water to a powerful spray with just one touch of a button. The spout is weighted to ensure it stays in place without sagging. The extra deep 13-inch sink and built-in washboard accommodate all your washing and scrubbing needs. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles. The attached chrome soap dispenser does the job with elegance. The cabinet is perfect for hiding away all your detergents and other laundry accessories so the room stays neat. The glossy white finish and frosted door design add to the stylish finish. Slow closed doors prevent slamming and prolong the life of the cabinet. Hardware is chrome to match the faucet. A pre-assembled base provides extra quality and stability. Solidly glued at the factory increases stability, and decreases the time needed to assemble the unit. Sits on a 4.5-inch high wooden base. Includes everything you need to have the cabinet and sink set up in no time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. This cabinet and sink set combines everything you were looking for in a laundry tub vanity, plus all the extras that you weren't even envisioning. Think extra deep sink basin, attached soap dispenser, built-in scrubbing board, and elegant frosted glass for a complete laundry room makeover. Quality built with both functionality and style in mind. This pre-assembled unit comes with all the plumbing parts, including supply lines, and hardware needed for a complete installation. Number 2. The base of this vanity is pre-assembled at the factory. This highly increases stability, as well as decreases the time needed to assemble the unit. The cabinet is perfect for hiding away all your detergents and other laundry accessories, keeping the room neat. The glossy white finish and frosted door design add a stylish touch. Slow closed doors prevent slamming to prolong cabinet life. Cabinet hardware is chrome to match the faucet and to match any existing decor. Number 3. Features. Extra deep sink basin accommodates all your washing needs. Built-in scrubbing board for removing those stubborn stains. Attached soap dispenser means no more messy spilling soap bottles. Full-size 4.25 inches drain increases drain flow for efficient sink drainage, and reduced blockages. Strainer can be used to stop the water from going down for soaking and will catch any debris when straining, which can be easily discarded. Number 4. The faucet is constructed with a metal base, handles, arch, and even metal shanks for lasting quality. Extra high arc design and weighted pull-out head make washing, soaking, and filling pails easy. Alternate between a steady stream and a powerful spray with just a touch of a button conveniently located on the spout. Number 5. Set includes vanity, deep slop sink, stylish cabinet, pull-down faucet, soap dispenser, and plumbing installation parts. Easy step-by-step illustrated instructions. 13.5, deep sink. Dimensions overall 22 inches length, 24.25 inches width by 32.75 inches height. Sink dimensions 22 inches length by 24.25 inches width by 13.5 inches depth. Some assembly required. 1-year limited warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.